Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the FOREX Futures and Stock Indice Week in Review, and I'd like to cover the stock indices as far as the overall gains for the week. The overall gains for the week with profitable less losses was $18.05 per share, and by far the best day was Monday, and it seems to be that the best days are Monday in terms of the overall trades. So this was $2.57 on the overall swing, and then intraday was $6.50 per share on intraday. We're going over next Monday's picks: FXY, PDXU, IEF, IGLB, Nugget, LT, TMF, TYD, UBT, UGL. Now, does this work 100% of the time? No. As you can see, there were losses. Total gains were $24.43 a share. Gains, losses were minus $6.38 per share, both on the swings and the intraday. So for the week, looking at Forex, start with Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Had an indicator here to go short the next period. Went short. Then had an indicator to go long on Tuesday. Went long, nice profit there, and then nice indicator to go short again for Friday, and had some gains here on Friday too as well for Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Now the extremes here happened intraday for both long and short, so the next period was short. Nothing for Wednesday. Another indication to go short here for Friday. Slight loss here on this flat day on Friday. Short, nice gain here. Short, and a loss here for Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Long here, about flat. Long here, nice overall gain overall on Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Short for Monday. Short for Monday, nice gain. Long for Wednesday. Short on Thursday, overall loss. No further trades the rest of the week. Friday for a short for Monday. Overall gain, nice overall long for CAD Swiss franc for Tuesday, nice overall gain. Short for Wednesday, nice overall gain. Nothing for Thursday, and then I'll break even on Friday. Short for Monday, overall gain. Long for Tuesday, overall gain. Short for Wednesday, overall gain. Nothing for Thursday. Short for Friday, overall loss. Franc Japanese yen, gain on Monday, and then loss on Friday. I didn't trade the exotics due to the fact that there's such volatility with the South African rand and government, so I minimized my risk by not trading the exotics. I just stuck with the majors and minors. Short for Euro Aussie dollar on Wednesday, nice overall gain. No further trade the rest of the week. Euro CAD, buy for Monday, nice overall gain. Short for Tuesday, nice overall gain on that short. Nice gain on Wednesday with a minimal gain, and then short for Friday, nice overall gain, and we do have a long for Euro CAD. Euro Swiss franc, nice gain Thursday, and then short for Friday, nice overall gain. Euro British pound, long on Monday, nice gain. No trade on Tuesday, long on Wednesday, nice gain, and then short overall for Friday, nice overall gain. Euro Japanese yen, flat on Monday, short on Wednesday, nice overall gain. Long on Wednesday, beautiful gain. Then a short for Friday, overall loss. All the Japanese yen pairs were a loss on Friday, which meant the JPY went weaker overall in the overall cross pair. Euro New Zealand, overall flat. On Wednesday, a little bit of gain, overall flat. Euro US, short on Tuesday, nice overall gain. Long on Wednesday, nice overall gain. Short on Thursday, minor loss, and then short on Friday, nice overall gain with the long on Monday. British pound, long on Tuesday, nice gain. Short on Wednesday, nice gain. About flat here with a minor loss on Thursday. No trade the rest of the week. British pound CAD, long on Monday, nice overall gain. No further trade the rest of the week. We do have one for Monday. British pound Swiss franc, nice overall gain on Wednesday on the short, and then long on Wednesday. Nice overall gain. Short on this, flat to a little gain on Friday. British pound, APY, short on Wednesday, overall gain, long on Thursday, overall gain, short on Friday, overall loss. British pound, New Zealand, nice overall gain on Wednesday, no further trade. British pound US dollar, short on Tuesday, nice overall gain, and no further trade the rest of the week. We have one on Monday. New Zealand Swiss franc, overall loss on Tuesday, short overall gain, short overall gain on Friday. Short for New Zealand Japanese yen, overall gain, long overall gain, and loss on Friday. Short overall gain for New Zealand US dollar on Tuesday. No further trade the rest of the week. US CAD, buy on Monday, overall loss. Buy on Thursday, minimal loss. It just not flat to loss there. US dollar CAD for Tuesday, nice overall buy and long. Short, nice overall short and buy here for a nice gain, and then overall gain on Thursday. No further trade the rest of the week. US dollar Japanese yen, nice overall gain on Tuesday, nice overall gain on the short on Wednesday, nice overall gain on Thursday. No further trade. I didn't trade the exotics, so overall gains for the week were very nice, and the same with futures too as well. So if you're interested in these kind of trading strategies or programming in both PineScript or Python, click on the links below, and remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.